Okay, here we have an HP LaserJet P3005N networkable printer, and we were having trouble with it, accordion paper in here. Paper had come out all accordioned up, crumpled up. So I've opened this thing up and taken a look at it and found the problem to be this piece of material, which was on a metal roller in the fuser. As you can see, this end of it is all chewed up here. And to cut the rest of it off, this needs to be replaced. So we're going to open this up and get the fuser part out that we need to get. Okay, this is removed by this. Here's a slider, and it fits into some little grooves right in here. The little sliding teeth are in a groove. So the easy way to pull that out is to just go on this side, give it a little stretch. It pops off and comes off all the way. To go ahead and remove this screw and that screw. Remove the screws that were here and here, and now we're going to remove this piece just by, it's got a compression clamp, so I'm just going to give it a little squeeze off to the side on one side, pull it that way on the other side there, and the whole thing should just lift up and out of there. I'll just set that aside. So next we're going to remove this plate, and the fuser is back here behind this. This plate comes out pretty easy. We're going to, if we just pull it towards us a little bit, there's a little clip here and a clip here. And those clips we're just going to pull towards us and lift. And we're going to lift this with our thumb, whoops, and pull towards us. This whole thing slides towards us and comes out just like so. To make this a little easier, I'm going to remove this piece here. And this is really simple. Just kind of just turn it a little sideways and it pops right on off. Comes right out of there. Okay, in order to remove this piece, we need to remove this screw right there. Then we will need to unplug this wire and pull the wire out of this routing right here. This plate is not connected to this wire, but the wire does feed through a slot up here, which will make it a little easier to pull it out. Alright, so we're going to remove this plug here, and we need to take out these wires that are also clipping it there. This piece should come out now. As you can see, the wires are kind of hooked up here, so we're just going to angle those a little bit and the piece comes right on off. There we go. Okay, so we're seeing more and more of our fuser here. Next step is we're going to want to unplug this cord here, the purple cord. We're going to unplug this cord up here. We're going to take out this screw right here, and we're going to take out this screw here, and this screw here, I believe, and then right there, and then this whole thing should pull out towards us. Okay, we've unplugged these wires here, the yellow wire, the purple wire has been unplugged as well, it's right here. And I removed the screw that was in this corner, I removed the screw that was here, and I removed the screw that's here. One more screw I need to remove is this one here, so we'll remove that really quick. Okay, I did get this screw out, and so I'm still got one more screw I got to take out right there. Get that now? Okay, all the screws have been removed, so this fuser unit should be able to slide out. The only thing that's still going to give us a little bit of trouble is these yellow wires are stuck in a clip over here in the corner, and we'll just need to open up this clip. Probably need a little tool there to pop that open and get those wires out, and then this whole thing should pull out. Alright, wire clips are undone, screws are undone, this thing should just pull right on out, and there it is. As we can see, there's even a paper stuck behind it. So this is the fuser unit, and the part that I need to replace is inside of here. It's a roller, and we'll get this going. Now the fuser has different parts in it that might need to be replaced sometimes. So in order to get in here, first I'm going to remove this screw. I've unscrewed it already. This piece here should slide sideways like that and lift off. So the piece that I'm replacing is going to be this piece right here. inside this fuser. Looks like the part number is located over on this end. I can see some numbers underneath these teeth, so I'll dig down a little deeper and see if I can get that part number. Okay, so here's the fuser. Now to open up the fuser, there was two screws, one right here, and there was another screw right there. A little point right there on each end fits in a hole. This piece is held on with springs, so once you get that up there, it tilts back and it actually hooks down. These slots actually hook in a slot down here on the side, but I've already taken it off. So this comes off like so. Then this metal bar here, this is the fuser. So this is the piece that we need to replace, is this piece here. And this should normally be coated. Originally it was wrapped in some material like this, and as you can see, this material was shredding. These are all pieces I've pulled out of the inside of this print device. So we need to replace this baby.